How to use advanced charting tools on Forex.com. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to the Forex.com app. Launch the app on your phone. After you're in the app, make sure to log into your account first. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of app interface. Now, in order to use the advanced charting tools, you need to head over to the charts first. Here in the watch list or the market section, you can head over to the stocks that you are interested in. Simply tap on the stocks. It'll open up the stocks page, and here you will see the charts. For a normal chart settings, in the top right corner you can see 3 dots icon. Tap on this. Here you will find chart settings. Tap on this. From here you can configure the settings of this chart. You can change the chart type. You can change the time frame in the charts. Select the price type. If you want the full screen chart, you can select that too. You can allow to show positions, net positions, orders. Also, you have the simple chart options. If you want more advanced charting tools, then you can go back. Over here in the chart, in the bottom right, you can see this icon. Tap on this. Scroll down to the bottom, and here you can see more settings. Tap on this. From here, you can access more settings for the charts. You can play along with the symbols. You can choose the color of the symbols. You can configure the indicators and financials. You can select the date format, time format. Once you are done, you can simply tap on this OK button and you will see all the changes in the chart. So that's how you can use advanced charting tools on Forex.com. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.